Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, I want to share with you guys how to perfectly sous vide chicken breast using the Blitzhome vacuum sealer and the slow cooker machine. Please relax and watch till the very end. We are going to start with unboxing the vacuum sealer and the slow cooker by Blitzhome. Okay, in a nutshell, sous vide is a French cooking technique that involves vacuum sealing food and cooking the food in a water bath at a precise temperature for longer than the usual cook time. Over here are the vacuum bags. This is the user manual. I love the packaging. Okay, it is so secured in the box. This is a complete set because it comes with vacuum sealer, the slow cooker and the vacuum bags. So when you open up the vacuum sealer, you'll find the vacuum external hole. This is for vacuuming boxes and canisters, and this is where you attach it to vacuum the canisters. Here is the extension cord and extra vacuum roll bags. Moving on, you'll find the sliding cord. Okay, so this part helps you to cut out the roll bags according to the size that you need. Over here is the vacuum tank and the seal heating wire. The seal heating wire has a width of 3 mm, which ensures maximum sealing. The Blitzhome vacuum sealer has lots of functions. It has function for both wet and for dry ingredients. It has option for seal or to vacuum and seal. Let us plug it in and see how it works. I appreciate the fact that I use this machine for so many other reasons. I use this to package my dry food products like my crayfish, my dried fishes, my egusi, all these Nigerian, dry food stuffs. I use this to ensure they stay fresh for a longer period of time. Now this bag is properly sealed and ready to seal your food or to vacuum seal your food. So what you just need to do is to seal the other end once you put your food inside it. Now let's go ahead and unbox the Blitzhome slow cooker. This is so luxuriously packaged and so secured. This is the user manual. Okay, I love the packaging. It is so secure and so safe in this box. This is what the slow cooker is looking like. This is the extension cord. It is long enough to go into your power outlet. This is the removable spiral fixation clamp. This helps you to clamp the slow cooker to your pot or to your water bath. I love that this slow cooker has a precise temperature and a timer control, and it is a smart slow cooker because you can operate this from your phone. Just scan the barcode and install the app. Let's go ahead and marinate the chicken breast for this recipe. So over here I have 2 big chunks of chicken breast. I'm going to season with my favorite seasoning. So in this jar I have some onion flakes, I have some white pepper, and I have some Knorr seasonings. Rub everything in, and then you're going to add in some herbs for extra flavoring. So here I added some rosemary and some thyme, and I also added a slice of lemon. Next, you're going to transfer this marinated chicken into the vacuum bag. If you have time, you can let it sit and marinate for some time, but if you don't have time, that is fine. Just transfer directly into your vacuum bag. I'm going to cut off some excess because it is too long for what I have in there. Again, make sure you dry out the opening of the bag to ensure maximum sealing. Now place the unsealed end of the bag into the vacuum compartment and close the lid. Then press the vacuum button, and next, after vacuuming, you press the seal button and it seals the bag. Now this is properly vacuumed and sealed and ready for slow cooking. Repeat the same process for the remaining chicken breast. Now we are going to proceed with cooking the chicken breast using the slow cooker. So fill a pot or a water bath with water. It has a capacity of 8 to 12 liters. I already cleaned the slow cooker, for a first time use. This slow cooker has a minimum line and a maximum line. So when you insert this into your water bath, ensure that the water in the bath is in between the max and the minimum line. Next, attach the slow cooker to the side of your pot using the spiral fixation clamp. I'm going to show you how to operate the slow cooker from your phone. So download the Blitzhome app, sign in, enter your password and add the device. So this is the Sous Vide device. I love the interface of this app. It is very easy to use even for beginners. You can control your slow cooker from a distance. You can power it on and off. You can choose the temperature. You can choose the cook time, and there are so many other things you can do with this app. So here I'm going to choose 145 degrees Fahrenheit for this chicken breast. From the video you will see that whenever I choose any temperature, it also reflects on the screen of the slow cooker. I'm going to set the cook time to 1 hour and 15 minutes. If you don't want to do this from your phone, you can also set it directly from the screen of the slow cooker. Once everything is set to your desired time and temperature, just click on start and it will start the process. Right now it is showing 81 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the temperature of the water in the pot. So we are going to wait for it to heat up to our desired temperature, which is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's up to that degree, you're going to throw in the chicken breast. You can control the slow cooker from anywhere using your phone. This is the app. Once you open it, it will always show you the temperature and the time left for cooking. You can always leave this app running in the background. I'm going to show you guys the cloud recipe on this app. This is so cool, guys. This app offers 40 cloud recipes along with some custom recipe and some favorite features. So when you are scrolling through the app, if you see any recipe that you like, just add the recipe. That means you favorite the recipe and it goes to your favorite options. This makes it easy for kitchen novice to operate and to cook dishes without any stress. You can even share this device with your family members by setting them up as administrators in the app. I'm going to favorite the chicken breast recipe because chicken breast is my go-to. I'm always making sous vide chicken breast because it is so good. It is so good. My kids love it. I love it. I use it in my salad. So I'm always making chicken breast. So here I'm gonna heart it, which means I've favorited this recipe. So back to our cooking. This is the temperature we are right now, 121 degrees Fahrenheit. It took about 7 minutes for this water to get to the desired temperature, which is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we are going to introduce our already sealed chicken breast into the water bath. So this is going to cook this chicken breast at a precise temperature, which is 145, and at a specific time, which is 1 hour and 15 minutes. This results in a perfectly cooked chicken that is tender, so juicy and bursting with flavor. If you've not tried sous vide meat or sous vide chicken, you need to try it out because you are missing out a lot. When you sous vide your food, it ensures that the nutrients are retained and your chicken or your protein are not overcooked. So back to the app, we are counting down. This is about 3 minutes left and it's almost time for us to take out the chicken from the water bath. Now that the chicken breast is properly and perfectly cooked, we are going to set aside the slow cooker. At this point, my whole house was smelling so good. It was smelling so good and I couldn't wait to dive into this chicken breast. At this point, my house was smelling so good, so good. I'm going to remove the chicken breast from the packaging and take out the herbs and the lemon that we used in seasoning it. We'll go through the final process, which is optional. Into a skillet, I'm going to sprinkle some oil and we are going to pan sear the chicken breast just for external crispiness and some browning on the outside. Guys, this is the tastiest and the juiciest chicken that I've ever tried. You need to try out Sous Vide your meat. It is so good. I'm going to put the link to this product in the description box and I'll put a discount code. When you use the discount code Adorable, you will get a 20% off when you buy this appliance, okay, both the slow cooker and the vacuum sealer machine. Thank you guys so much for watching to this very point. I appreciate that. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.